It's blowing right in the house. The dogs didn't want to stay out. Oh my God. It's here, and we're supposed to have winds that could get up to 90 miles an hour today. This is 3/13/2019. This is Kidawin, Colorado, east of Colorado Springs. Wow. Even my Great Pier won't go out. I'm going to leave the door open here. I got snow blowing on the house, but she's got to get outside. Look at this, folks. Oh my gosh. Woo. There we go. Okay. 2 out, 1 more to go. You want to go out, Celeste? Huh? No? Okay, signing out.